Hello friends, today I am talking about the very best motivation. This motivation have you the very best get knowledge, and this motivation is the very interesting and knowledge video. Okay, so this motivation for your life is something is changing for. Then what I am today talking, what I am now talking, that's you are very attention please. Okay, so my today talking is anyone anyone you see the nature. I mean, my talk about the anyone nature, I mean behave. Okay, so anyone nature, that's first you understanding, that's I am talking, I am friendship his friend with, then which has their nature. Something has the any dismissed, any there has the problem, I mean their condition, their nature is very bad. You avoid him, you not a friendship. Okay, so everyone, and you are not, I mean not friendship, and not any relationship, but you not going to near, and you are have the far, but you know to that he is the and she is the bad nature peoples, that you are going to sight, you not matching him, and you are not living there. Okay, so I am only this talking, that you living alone, you understanding your mind, that's whom is how behavior, how nature, and how types peoples with I connected. This everything understanding and everything knowledge, first your mind, then after you connect it. If you are not understanding and connected their boys and girls and any peoples, that's your life is spoiled. Yes, spoiled. Yes, I am talking the spoiled your life. Something you understanding this for. When you are not understanding this about, then your life is spoiled, your human people's life is the spoiled. What do you do in your life when you are not understanding, and only bad people's back to back you are the going and flowing, and you are connected, but you are not changing your life if you connected their boys and girls and bad people's for. So today resolve you are, that's everything I doing, and everything self depends and self independent your life, because this life is your, this life is your, no anybody has your life is. When you know that's motivation, that's your key, I mean key. Yes, you know that the lock, this is the lock and this is the key. Your key is any others you giving, then every day, every time your mind is the depression. When your key, lock key is, lock key is you are giving any peoples, boys and girls. Yes, you, I am talking you, if you are boys and if you are girls, please this understanding, boys for girls giving key, and girls for boys giving key, that's very depression, and the very mindly is the not connect, and not is the peacefully every time is the bad. So please, this understanding any other's nature, then how to live their nature and how to best, this you please first understanding, then after you connect everyone. How too much like this today my video, something you have the best get knowledge, and next time I coming to back the very best motivation for, then I am every day searching that's what's motivation for our lives is something best get knowledge and best right challenge and best your life is changing for. I am everyone all this talking, and I am say you that you take the very best right challenge. And next time I come to back, okay? Okay? Thanks. See you again.